Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, joining us again is Caitlin, who runs the office at TLC. Caitlin, what's happening with you, young lady?
Super busy right now, getting ready for spring startups. Also taking down holiday lighting, doing lots of drainage right now, getting some more employees in, so staying busy.
Busy, huh?
Yes.
So this year is going to be an awesome 2024 season.
That is the plan. We're hoping so.
So how you doing? I know there's always a struggle. I won't say a struggle, but a challenge is probably a better word with office staff. How you doing this year?
I think we're at a good spot right now. We definitely have room to add someone else. We're currently looking.
You were looking to grow this year?
Yes, definitely. I think we're at a good spot right now, but time will tell.
Gotcha. Well, that's just life in general, right?
Exactly.
So what's happening in your personal life with all the kids? Everybody good?
Always something going on there too. Yes. Yeah, they're good. Getting big.
Everybody's growing?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Lots of birthdays this month.
Lots of birthdays?
Yes.
I gotcha. How are we doing with repairs and service for lawn sprinklers this spring?
We're doing good so far. We're super busy. We're doing a lot of installs right now. We have everybody on service agreements, so we have a list of people to call to still get them scheduled.
So you got install. You kind of worded things together to sound like I'm talking. So you got lots of installs, lots of service. You're doing a lot of service off the service agreements.
Correct.
So you're busy across the board with everything with lawn sprinklers because it's spring.
Exactly. Keeping our techs and installers and
backflow tests. You got a lot going on.
Exactly.
It's busy time of year. Everybody's putting patios in and decks, and they need things rerouted,
things moved,
pipes rerouted, heads rerouted, controllers rehung. All across the board, you're busy.
Yep.
How you doing with service techs this year?
We're good. I think we're going to be using another one or two. So we're definitely growing everywhere in the company.
Tell us a little bit about the HydroWise, the smart technology for controllers that we're monitoring. You guys are monitoring from the office now.
The HydroWise monitoring is a new service that we're going to be offering for our HydroWise customers. We're going to come in and check the computer daily to make sure their controllers are working properly. And if we see anything off, we're going to dispatch a technician out to their property right away.
Caitlin, appreciate you coming in the studio today and chatting with us a couple minutes.
Anytime, Bob.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned next week for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. See you soon.